Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to talk about weight loss tips for beginners. Losing weight is a challenging task, but it can be accomplished through a combination of a healthy diet and regular exercise. Exercise is an essential component of weight loss, as it burns calories and increases metabolism. However, it's essential to choose the right exercises to help achieve your weight loss goals. For more updates on weight loss, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we'll discuss some of the best weight loss exercises that are not only effective but also enjoyable. Cardiovascular exercises. Cardiovascular exercises are known for their ability to burn calories and improve heart health. These exercises get your heart pumping and increase your breathing rate, resulting in increased calorie burn. Here are some of the best cardiovascular exercises for weight loss. Running. Running is a great way to burn calories and lose weight. It's a high-impact exercise that requires no equipment and can be done almost anywhere. Cycling. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that is gentle on the joints but still helps burn calories. It's an excellent exercise for those who are looking to lose weight and improve their cardiovascular health. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that is easy on the joints and helps to build strength and endurance. It's also an excellent way to burn calories and lose weight. Strength training exercises. Strength training exercises help build muscle, which is essential for weight loss. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, which means that the more muscle you have, the more calories you'll burn throughout the day. Here are some of the best strength training exercises for weight loss. Squats. Squats are an excellent exercise for strengthening the lower body. They target the glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps, which are some of the largest muscles in the body. Squats also help to improve balance and posture. Lunges. Lunges are another great lower body exercise that targets the glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. They also help to improve balance and stability. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great upper body exercise that helps to build strength in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. They also help to improve posture and stability. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a form of exercise that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. HIIT is known for its ability to burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. Here are some of the best HIIT exercises for weight loss. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that involves jumping, squatting, and pushing up. They're a great way to get your heart rate up and burn calories quickly. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a simple exercise that can be done almost anywhere. They're a great way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a full-body exercise that involves moving your legs in a running motion while keeping your upper body stable. They're a great way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. Yoga. Yoga is a great way to improve flexibility, balance, and strength. It's also an excellent exercise for weight loss. Yoga can help to reduce stress and improve overall well-being, which can help to prevent overeating. Here are some of the best yoga poses for weight loss. Warrior 2. Warrior 2 is a standing yoga pose that helps to strengthen the legs, hips, and core. It also helps to improve balance and stability. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog is a yoga pose that stretches the hamstrings, calves, and spine. It also helps to strengthen the arms and shoulders. Chair pose. Chair pose is a yoga pose that helps to strengthen the legs and core muscles. It also helps to improve balance and stability. Diet and exercise. While exercise is an essential component of weight loss, it's important to remember that a healthy diet is also crucial. In order to lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. This means that you need to be mindful of what you eat and how much you eat. Here are some tips for combining diet and exercise for weight loss. Plan your meals. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure that you're eating a balanced diet. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your diet. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and fat. Try to avoid processed foods as much as possible and choose whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help to keep you feeling full and prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Keep track of your progress. Keep track of your exercise and food intake to monitor your progress. This can help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Conclusion: weight loss exercises are an essential part of any weight loss program. Cardiovascular exercises, strength training exercises, HIIT, and yoga are all great options for burning calories and building muscle. However, it's important to remember that exercise alone is not enough for weight loss. A healthy diet is also crucial. By combining diet and exercise, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. So, start incorporating these exercises into your daily routine and see the positive changes in your body and mind. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.